Telecom operators around the globe are rapidly rolling out 10G home broadband services. According to Ovum's data, there are currently 16 global operators supporting symmetric 10 Gbps FTTH services. Diverse scenario applications are accelerating the scale deployment of 10G PON in various business scenarios such as home entertainment, cloud home VR, enterprise dedicated internet, and campus networks, are driving operators to upgrade their broadband networks to 10G PON. XGS-PON is an updated standard for passive optical networks that supports higher speed 10G symmetric data transmission. XGS-PON is a technical evolution of GPON and XG-PON. Today, most operators wishing to deploy 10G FTTH services consider XGS-PON to meet market demands. To cater to this trend, GIGALIGHT has introduced 4 products designed to meet the mainstream market's requirements. XGS-PON OLT SFP Plus products include ODN Class N1 with a power margin of 14 to 29 dB, ODN Class N2 with a power margin of 16 to 31 dB, ODN Class E1 with a power margin of 18 to 33 dB, ODN Class E2 with a power margin of 20 to 35 dB. These 4 products have the advantage of low power usage, consuming less than 2 watt, and are also available in commercial-grade and industrial-grade temperature operations. Combo PON is a new type of 10G OLT optical module that integrates XGS-PON OLT and GPON OLT optical devices into an SFP Plus form factor. This product complies with ITU-T G.9807.1 XGS-PON and ITU-T G.984.2 GPON standards. Leveraging wavelength division multiplexing technology, this module supports XGS-PON and GPON simultaneously on a single optical fiber. This solution has many advantages. It does not affect existing GPON services, reduces initial investment, enables smooth network upgrades without the need to adjust the optical distribution network. GIGALIGHT has introduced 2 products to meet the mainstream market's demands. Combo PON OLT-D product, compliant with the standard ODN Class D. Combo PON OLT-C Plus product, compliant with the standard ODN Class C+. Both of these products have a power consumption of less than 2.5 watt, meeting the low power requirements.